Are you sure you're gonna get me?
Yeah.
Nice, you're strong. All right, so that's that. On our way back. Oh.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. I had to wait for pictures. Kind of cleared up.
Yeah.
It does look different in the sunlight. Normally it's 110 degrees. It does pop a little bit more.
Nej, jag fick skit. Här har varit jäkligt dålig grepp samman med
I'm blown away, guys, by this beauty. Right now it's looking much better with the sunlight. It's awesome.
Just pops a little more.
Yeah, but I kind of like that this
See, that's
one
the
is
shit.
not-
Yeah, both are good.
Yeah.
Both are good.
Oh. And then look at the arch right there.
I know there's so much what's the word for that? Texture.
Picture, yeah.
Yeah, and
Then this
and
one kind of
depth.
looks like
Depth.
it's been burnt.
It
'Cause
does.
it's dark, but it might be just from the water.
Maybe it is burnt. Maybe there were
Fire at one point.
natives living right there, and that's where they made. Who knows? You know, I mean,
Oh, did you see that one? It's more like a cave. It's like it's not even
this
looking,
right there.
yeah. It's not
Yeah.
even looking like a rock. It's more like a wood.
I've seen a lot of those where it seems that it's eroded, almost
That's like-
symmetrical.
Yeah, but that's like perfectly like carved.
Yeah, I've seen a couple like that.
Cool.
So cool. Found these acorns.
Don't step one more.
Don't take another step off this cliff.
Yeah. Don't too much.
Yikes. It's nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Good thing I didn't waste my time going out there. Check this out. This rock, it looks like a lid.
Oh yeah. I bet it was.
Probably just came off.
That looks like the lid to that rock.
Yeah, it's like it broke off.
It's like a Tupperware container. Made of stone.
Gonna run in there.
Oh yeah? Oh, look at that one over there. That one's held up by a like smaller stone over there. That's cool. What are you bouldering?
Yep.
All right. Well, here I come. Chum.
Put up the hammock right here.
Mm.
Put up the hammock right there.
Yeah, up there. He's hammocking across.
Climb up.
Hey guys, hey everybody.
We live here.
We're just chilling in our hammock. Oh yeah. And Alright, so what's it gonna be, sister?
What is this? Oh,
What do you got?
what's this?
Have you ever used that drinking straw?
No. What do you call it? It's called feeling.
Alright, which way do you want to go? That way or that way?
I don't know.
We know this way. That's the unknown over there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so we're going back the way we came?
I guess so.
Okay. Alright, let's go stand on that edge right there.
No,
And I'll take
thank
your pick.
you. That's not gonna benefit me. You might get a lot of views, but
Could definitely stand on that rock out there a little bit. That one looks solid. You want to go test it out for me?
no. Roll no rocks, people below.
Roll no rocks, people below. Danger, roll no rocks, people below. Got it. This one's kind of old
that.
looking.
There's one right there that's
Yeah.
younger. That one right there that's younger.
Mm.
Look at that one up there.
So we're not going up there?
No,
Not supposed to.
I'm not supposed to.
I always obey the rules. Look at that.
Oh, and they even have aloe vera, bro.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. What? No, that's an aloe plant, not a cactus. Does it have...
Oh, there's aloe vera
It
right there.
has
Isn't it a
something
cactus?
inside, but...
Maybe that's aloe vera. I don't know.
No, aloe vera looks similar. It's just not. Look at this hidden Mickey.
This one right here. Is that aloe
Is that a hidden Mickey?
vera? It's more like Bugs Bunny.
It's the scuff version of hidden Mickey.
Bugs Bunny. Dang, that's so gorgeous right there.
Interesting.
Jeff, go over there. We're in the middle.
I'm filming you, filming me.
More towards in the
Hurry,
center.
hurry, hurry.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry. Or aloe vera.
They're not
If you-
synonymous.
If you guys know, what do you
Yeah,
guys
drop a
down
comment.
below.
No, I mean aloe vera is green, and it's a plant. My grandma grew aloe vera plant in her yard,
And Florida?
yeah, and we used to use it. There's a lot of healing properties. It's really good for sunburn.
Oh, yes, of course.
But cactus juice, maybe. I don't know. But there was something about some cactus or cacti have water in them, right? But not that kind.
Rock Falls.
Rock Falls. That's a fitting name. I mean, if a rock falls from up there, it's falling. It's falling.
That's awesome.
You like that, huh?
Yeah. That's so funny. I can't stop laughing. Look,
I think you're-
videotape the people there.
Hmm.
Look
I
that.
don't know if it's gonna get that far, but there are
Can
people.
you like zoom it out? Zoom it in?
I can do it on the editing software.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. Oh, so hot. I think he's telling them that it's really slippery. You guys need to be careful.
No, he's saying, these Americans pass us twice now. You guys hurry up. You're embarrassing us.
No,
No, that's not it.
I
Okay.
think that he's just telling them to not slip because I'm not
He
going to
seems
carry you
very
guys
aggressive.
down. If you twist your ankle, I'm not carrying anyone. Either you don't slip or you die here.
I will leave you behind.
I will call for help. Hang tight.
Right. All right. So we did a loop. Yeah, this trail was very odd with the signage.
Yeah, it's
and
not very
just
helpful.
we ended up coming a different way back.
Yeah.
And it brought us to the same location. So it's a loop, but it doesn't say that it's a loop. And the signs are pretty odd.
Yeah. It doesn't even have a sign where it says like if you're this way still takes you back to
Like you could
the
easily,
lodge.
yeah, and you could easily, right, that, and then you could easily not see a lot of the stuff and think that you did finish it.
Right. But yes, we're back, guys. We
Back.
are very close.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to the bottom of Angel's Landing. Since we're not hiking it. Look at this.
Oh,
I used to
Look at this video.
Oh, he's so fat too.
he's so chubby.
Oh my god. I want to cuddle.
I know.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
What's he eating?
An apple, I think.
Oh,
Someone throw an apple.
It said,
yeah, they're not
do not
supposed to
feed the
get fed,
squirrels.
I know.
But
It's
that is
happy.
the cutest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's happy too.
he's not scared at all. This is the start of the
Yeah.
Narrows Trail, and it's a trail that's a lot or most of it is in the river. You just walk through the river. Be really fun. But there's a flood warning, a flash flood warning, and it's getting late.
Yeah.
It'll be a fun thing to do. Maybe we'll do it on the way back. Can't get enough of these cliffs. Look at that line. So many people here, guys.
I think this is like the Angel's Landing right here.
Nothing you can do about all the people, but it does
the bottom.
definitely take away from everything. The nature part. Hey guys, what's up? We're at a rest area somewhere in Utah.
Cedar City.
Cedar City, Utah, okay. And we're probably gonna just call it a night here. We're gonna get ready for bed. We're both really tired. We didn't have much sleep last night.
Yeah.
And we had a big day today. How'd you like Zion? Did you like it?
Yeah,
Did you,
it was really nice.
it was really
I
nice.
enjoyed it,
Any
yeah.
any things that you didn't like? Or?
The only downside of the hiking to the pools is like it's really steep in some areas that like I can easily like slip and fall, and it doesn't have even like rail guards on the side, so you're basically just like walking on like
people have
edge.
died in some of those hikes recently.
So, but yeah, other than that, I mean, I would really recommend to make sure that when you do that hike to bring or wear like really hiking shoes instead of just like your normal running walking shoes. But
well, we had the weather was a little off. There was a couple times where we had just really heavy rain all of a sudden.
Yeah, towards the end,
yeah, which wasn't that big a deal. But I think the only downside for me is that it's just a really crowded, touristy thing. Thing to do, and that is kind of a bummer to have so many people. But at the same time, there's kind of a nice. Sometimes I kind of like it at the same time for different reasons. Though you know, it's kind of nice to have a lot of people around. But then there's occasions you can't have it both ways, though, right? You can't just say, "Oh, all of a sudden I want to have peace and quiet." But yeah, it was a good time.
Right.
Tomorrow, I think we're going to drive to
Bryce. No, Arches. Towards Arches.
The Arches, which is also in Utah, and then after the Arches, I think we're going to go to Bryce. Then after Bryce, I think we're gonna go to the Grand Canyon.
And from the Grand Canyon, we'll think what we're
That's
gonna
too far off.
do. Yeah. But yeah.
But yeah, we're tired, so we're gonna call it a night. And we'll see you guys in the morning.
Tomorrow morning.
All right. Good night.
Peace night.